Lesson 1, page 25. Let's talk a bit about undo. We want to change the light yellow-orange text back to the pastel yellow color we had. One method is undo edit type layer, or the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Z, Command-Z on the Mac. In most applications, Ctrl-Z undoes one step, a second Ctrl-Z undoes a second step, and so on. However, in Photoshop, the first Ctrl-Z is undo, but the second Ctrl-Z is redo. If we keep typing Ctrl-Z, we'll be undoing and redoing the last action. If we want to keep going backwards in Photoshop, we can use the menu command Edit Step Backward, or Alt-Ctrl-Z. There is also Edit Step Forward, or Shift-Ctrl-Z. Next, let's use the Move tool to center the text on the ribbon. Note that when we type the text, it made a new text layer whose name is the same as the text itself. As we click and drag, the purple smart guides appear to help with the positioning of the object. Let's save the file. File, Save, or Ctrl-S.